To use WorldPay direct integration, start by understanding the basics of the payment gateway. WorldPay is a secure online payment processing system that allows businesses to accept credit and debit card payments from customers. Direct integration involves embedding the payment form directly into your website, providing a seamless payment experience for your customers. First, you need to create a WorldPay account and obtain your merchant ID and installation ID. These IDs are unique to your business and are required to configure the payment gateway. You can find these IDs in your WorldPay account dashboard. Next, you need to choose the integration method that suits your business needs. WorldPay offers two integration methods: hosted payment pages and direct integration. Hosted payment pages redirect customers to a WorldPay hosted page to enter their payment details, while direct integration embeds the payment form directly into your website. To set up direct integration, you need to generate an HTML form that collects customer payment information, such as card number, expiration date, and security code. You then need to send this information to WorldPay's payment server using HTTPS protocol. WorldPay provides a range of APIs and code libraries to help you integrate the payment gateway into your website. When sending payment information to WorldPay, ensure that you use a secure connection to protect sensitive customer data. You should also validate customer payment information on your server to prevent errors and ensure that the payment is processed correctly. Once you have integrated WorldPay into your website, you need to test the payment process to ensure that it is working correctly. You can use WorldPay's test environment to simulate payments and verify that the payment gateway is functioning as expected. Best practices for using WorldPay direct integration include ensuring that your website is PCI compliant, using secure protocols to protect customer data, and providing clear payment instructions to customers. You should also ensure that you handle payment errors and exceptions correctly, and provide customers with a seamless payment experience. In summary, using WorldPay direct integration requires creating a WorldPay account, choosing the integration method, generating an HTML form, sending payment information to WorldPay's payment server, and testing the payment process. By following these steps and best practices, you can provide a secure and seamless payment experience for your customers.